everyone. Today I'm going to show you a really cool feature in our News2you current events. So I'm going to scroll over here to my hamburger drop-down button, head down to News2you, and select current issues. So for our current issue here, we're at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. I'm just going to select into it. It's going to pull up our newspaper article for the week. Here we are. So you can read through this article, toggle through the pages with your students. But the feature I wanted to show you today was right down here at the very bottom is this little monitor button. Looks like a little mini iPad. If I select that, once I've read through the newspaper with my classroom, it's going to open up an additional window that's going to take me all about the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So this updates with every current issue. It gives you just additional tools and resources that you need to learn more about whatever the current event happens to be that week. Hope you enjoy.